Welcome. Thank you very much for talking with us.
Tell us about JPEG Mini. What is it exactly?
So JPEG Mini is one of the products from Beamer. Beamer is an image technology and science company with an amazing invention that is essentially a quality measure algorithm that perfectly represents the human perception for image quality. And with this invention, we can connect to standard products like JPEG and H.264 and H.265, and we can guide the encoder to the minimum possible, reducing all the redundancies beyond the human vision, still within the standard of JPEG and the video standards. So when we optimize a photo, when we optimize a JPEG, we eliminate, yes, the redundancies beyond the human vision, but we are perfectly within the standard. We didn't invent a new product. So when you send our photo, it is absolutely transparent at the receiving end. It will print, it will display, it will open on any smartphone, absolutely transparent. So we retain the original resolution, we retain the original file format, and we retain the original visual quality.
Right, so we have a software that can reduce the size of our JPEG, and it's compressed, and nothing is lost in the quality of the JPEG. So then you could send it, share it, email it, right?
And of course, lifetime permanent storage. That's of course a growing need in the industry. So this, I think, is a very good news for photographers or companies that are in the business of photo sharing, photo capture, of course, especially when you are intensely engaged in photo capture and lifetime photo sharing and storage.
So is it a standalone product where you drag and drop into this program?
So it is a standalone product. It is a standalone product that you can drag and drop even your entire hard drive or your entire external drive. But it's also a plugin. Yes, it's also a plug. This is a very useful workflow to Adobe Photoshop Lightroom and very soon. And Photoshop, yes. So now we have the Lightroom and the Photoshop is coming. So this is a powerful workflow solution. We have emotional 5-star reviews from customers at the Apple App Store or B&H Photo Video that reporting back to us that we gave them their life back. They can cut 4 hours or 5 hours back from their workflow. If you are a wedding photographer, you can imagine, yes, you can end up the evening with 8,000 JPEGs. And of course now to share with your customer back and forth, this is a very time-consuming process. So you can export, you can use the Photoshop Lightroom, and by doing so you can reduce, on average, photorealistic high-resolution images 75%. 75%, still retaining the original quality and the original file resolution.
Okay, I have a quick question. How does this work? You're reducing it, and you have no loss of quality, but it's reduced by 75%.
So once again, this is an average statement. You can, when you do JPEG Mini, you can see that some photos we take 46%, some photos we take 92%. This algorithm commits only to the quality. Our quality measure guide the encoder to the minimum possible before any visual artifacts are visible to the human. Yes, and that's it shouldn't be a surprise. Yes, I mean, for us that are in the photo industry, we know that behind every camera, yes, there is a CMOS sensor, and the CMOS sensor captures the photons, in the same priority. That's not how our brain works. So we can take the redundancies that are built in through the capture process and reduce it. But of course, this is content dependent. It is adaptive, yes, photo by photo, frame by frame. We reduce to the minimum possible without compromising quality. So an average statement, again, for high resolution, high quality images is 75%. And For a single photo, we cannot guarantee the savings, but overall the savings are amazing. And again, it is a workflow tool. It is a workflow to expedite the process and, of course, to enable lifetime permanent storage of the original quality. Why to compromise, yes, on the original quality?
Thank you. And then when the customer or your customer wedding client opens it up, it's just a click and it's open.
Absolutely. It is, as I said, absolutely transparent at the receiving end. You will flick back and forth between the original and the JPEG Mini. It's the same, all the samples that we see here, yes? Original 16
to 8.
To 8, this time 3.5 to 2.5. The savings, again, per photo are not guaranteed, only the visual quality. But you can see that, sometimes you get absolutely transparent at the receiving end, and once again, within the standard, and always the algorithm always commit to the original quality. That's the.
Now, is it for Windows as well as Mac?
Windows, Mac, and again, any printer, any high-quality printer will produce an conceptual identical copy of this image.
Okay. Please give us your web address so our people can look it up and find out how to buy it.
So this will be www.jpegmini.com.
Okay.
Simple as that.
Simple as that. Okay. I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much. Nice talking to you, and have a great show.
Thank you.